this is Harry J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm gonna unbox a blood pressure arm monitor that you can use in your house. I bought this product. It wasn't so much expensive. It could be 25 to 35 euro, 25 to $40. It's very handy. You see the brand is Alvita. This is one Spanish brand, maybe product could be Chinese, but manufactured by Spanish brand, but made in China could be. Okay, let me show you the box. It's a very handy machine. If you have a problem of blood pressure, high pressure, lower pressure, you can measure very easily with this lovely looking machine. See the box, different information is written in Spanish, in English, in different version, and in other languages also. Information, more things at the bottom. You can see some barcode and other information. I'm trying to read what is the manufacturer. Taiwan. This comes from the Taiwan, but it's Malaga, Spain, the package, or it's come from Taiwan for Spain. But the main distributor, main company, Alvita, is from Malaga, Spain. That is southern part of Spain. At the top is written in different language. Blood pressure arm monitor. After that, different other languages, Catalan, French, I think. Let me unpack this box. Let's see what we have inside. Here we go. Taking this off. We have a lovely looking pouch inside. I will take this off. Let's see. Gently. Here we have a big catalog, manual and nothing else. I put the box down and you see one big catalog, quite heavy. How you can use this one, all other instruction is written, the pressure and all the things, how you can measure and all that. If you want, you can read that. So I put one side. Here is the pouch. Let me take. Here we have something. This you have to tie it at your arm. All the information is written. Take out this bag. You can see the doctor now. Normally when you go to clinic or hospital, you see this type of device they use. Check your pressure. Here we go. Fine. And I dropped this one at the bottom. This is 2 battery, very handy. You can put in the machine, put one side. Let's see what I have more in the pouch. Here we go. It's a lovely looking small bag and nothing else. The machine here itself. You can see here you have one power button. I don't have no battery, so system SYS MMAG. Dia, that is day, I think is Spanish, pulse, and some tag to rip this off as this. I leave this because in case if it's not working I can change. Yeah, you see at the back side you have one big box for battery. You need 4 batteries in this. You see 4 batteries, 4 AAA size of battery. They give me only 2, so I think with 2 battery you can operate this one. I will try now in few minutes. Let's see. Here I think this I put one side, these 2. This should go here, I think. If I'm not wrong, it's fine to hit. I will go and bring some battery. Okay, I bring my battery pack. I have so many. So I will try with 2 battery first. Let me open the back side. Let me put here. I hit the button. Now working with 2 batteries. So I need to put 2 more. So why they send me 2 only battery, I don't know. It should be 4 battery together. Whatever. Let me put 2 more here. Now is working. So you need 4 batteries. 0. I will close the back cover. Okay, you see machine, I hit the button. Let's see. You see, this is the pressure. It's trying to read some pressure in this. Now will off, you see the number, I hit this off. I will put at my hand, I will show you how you can take the pressure of anybody. Here the medal, you have to take this off as this. I'm putting at my hand here. You should put it up more. See my hand here, I put, you don't need to put extra tight. As this one more time, I put as this. And here is the machine. And it will start to read. Let's see. You see how I feel. At the time of taking pressure, you should not talk. You see that I have 17, that 10 and 94 is my heartbeat. I don't know is normal or not. You have to check the reading. Is more pressure or low pressure, you have to check. Let me show you the reading properly. So this is the pressure at the moment. I have 17, 10 and 94 is the heartbeat. So there must be some scale, you have to check according to the scale is good or bad. So this is unboxing and how you can use a blood pressure machine. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.